Ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paruroonan. Yeah. He who does not know how to about face cannot forward marks. All right. Okay, palakpakan na kami. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Mabel, since you are not leaving, may you assist, may I call on the directors to please come forward, and we're going to present the certificates of appreciation. Kagaya lang nasabi namin, libre nga ito, pero meron din naman mga sponsors na nag-donate ng pera para naman gastusin natin dito. Alam niyo kung magkano gastos natin dito ngayon? It's around 2,500. So, abunado pa. But anyway, it's all because of you. And so, in grateful appreciation for the dedication and generous support to the Confederation of Filipino-Canadian Associations, the directors gladly present the certificate of appreciation to the following sponsors on today's gathering. As I call your name, will you please come forward? Mrs. Cora Beltran. Nagbigay ng donasyon, kaya siya'y nagmumuna. Next, we have Frances Cantoria. Frances, nasa ka? Basta si Frances, maasahan. Magsabi ka lang. Mr. Delphine Arsiaga. But the certificate will be received by Dr. Ardita Punsalan. Doktora, para maibigay kay Kapitan. Next, I call on Attorney Eladio and Lourdes. I now call on Aurora, will you please come and receive this certificate? Mrs. Aurora Borge. Chihuahua. And now representing the business community, we have Mr. and Mrs. Don and Susie Edra. Next we have Mrs. Fulgencia Laguardia. She's not here. And Perla will receive. Magpapicture ka naman ah. Hawak ako. And then we have Mrs. Susan Regala. Nanang Susan, nandyan ba? Nanay, Susan! Gloria Regala Stein. Get ready, Mrs. Eduarda Guillermo. Eduarda Guillermo. Abeliera and Lydia Resposo. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga sponsors natin para sa susunod ay magbibigay ulit sila. Hipolito and Lydia Abeliera Resposo. Yun. He's also one of our sponsors. Sa pilitan natin. Ngayon lang natin nakuha, pero we will prepare one for them. Mr. and Mrs. Nick and Effie Chong. We also have a donation from Cocina Manila. Diba? Andito? Oh, dito, tabi mo na. Also for... okay. Sino yan? Mrs. Pasita de la Rosa. Ano? Wala pa, gagawin pa kayo na nagbigay eh. Okay. Okay, Pasita de la Rosa. The president. We have a donation from Camby Denture Clinic. Ang amo ng ating magandang kaibigan na si Connie, Epic Networks. And Northern Rosas, Liberty Vibar. Yan po mga kaibigan ang mga nagbigay ng tulong sa atin ngayong hapon. And once again, thank you very much. ASB Travel Corporation for Connie. Yung Sojak po, kayo ka lang nagbigay, kaya sa susunod na Sojak Circle BC, Jing Hipol also donated. Yan ang makuha ng laging late eh. Ngayon mo lang binigay eh. Okay, we will give you 2 certificates. Sino ang pinakamalapit siya, ang pinakabagal? Mabagal.
And I swear this is true, and I owe it to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Palakpakan natin ulit sila. So, handa na ba yung pagkain natin? So, once again, thank you, and I hope that you will continue supporting Confica. And that brought to an end our program for the first Confederation Day. But before we go, I'd like to thank my co-MC, Connie. And on behalf of the directors and officers of Confica, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the following. Mr. Bob Cortez, who will provide the music this afternoon. Bob and Alan. Wala na ano. Ganyan. To all our guests, especially to Mabel, to all our sponsors, and a special thank you to our caterers. Oh, we have a surprise visit from one of the members of the Legislative Assembly. We have the Honorable Yujal Dosans.
Thank you very much. It's so wonderful to be here. I'm going to be hitting 65 soon, so I'm looking forward to joining the group. I can join now? All right. This seems like a fun group. I just want to congratulate you for coming together in this confederation and to have fun. I understand this is the first time you're doing this. It's great to be here. You're always a fun-loving people, all of you. So I'm happy to be here. Wish you well. I'm going to be here for a few minutes because I have a flight to catch to Ottawa. I have a 5 o'clock flight. I have to go home before I go. So thank you for having me. Have fun. Dance a lot. Drink a lot. Don't drive when you drink though. Thank you.
us if you become a member of Confica. You will be very fortunate. Okay, have a safe flight to Ottawa. And Nisan, nasaan na ba? Nandiyan na ba? Puyat na puyat. Siyang nagluto ng ating kakainin. Mrs. Oscar and Tessie Ocampo. Whom to run after, kung meron kayong mararamdaman na kung mamaya, si Oscar at si Tessie. We have luck. No, I'm just kidding. Dahil meron din kaming surprise announcement mamaya. Sayaw naman muna. Okay, music! Huwag niyong puputulin daw yung music. Meron tayong announcement dito and it is a very important announcement. It has been unanimously approved by the board that effective February next month ay ginawang uniform na ang entrance fee ng mga member organizations ng Confica dahil masyado ng mahal ang binabayaran sa hall, pagkain, tapos meron pang HST na 12%, kaya nadagdagan lahat ng gastos, kaya effective February 6, lahat ng mga 5 associations